Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for the ultimate Sony camera in 2025? Whether you're a vlogger, professional photographer, or someone just starting out, Sony has a lineup that delivers on all fronts. Stick around as we dive into the top 5 best Sony cameras you should consider this year. Let's jump right in. I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Starting at number 5, we have the Sony A6700, the best value camera of 2025. This compact powerhouse is perfect for those who want top-notch performance without breaking the bank. With a 26-megapixel sensor, 4K video at 120 frames per second, and cutting-edge AI-based autofocus, this camera is ideal for enthusiasts and semi-pros alike. The A6700 ensures you capture sharp, stunning shots every time. Plus, its lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go photography. Check it out using the link in the description. Unleash your photography and videography potential with the Sony A6700, the ultimate APS-C interchangeable lens camera designed for creators who demand excellence. Featuring a 26.0 MP exmor, our back-illuminated CMOS sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality and performance, even in challenging lighting conditions. With Bion's XR processing power, you'll experience enhanced image clarity and reduced noise, perfect for capturing every detail in your shots. The dedicated AI processor takes subject recognition and tracking to the next level, ensuring precision focus on people, animals, and vehicles in real time. For videographers, the A6700 offers stunning 4K video at 60p, with 6K oversampling for incredible detail and color depth. Dive into professional-grade recording with 4:2:210-bit formats, long GOP, or all-intro options, and elevate your cinematic projects further with log shooting and LUT handling for advanced post-production control. The camera's sensor-shift image stabilization ensures your photos and videos stay sharp and steady, while its vlog-friendly features make it a go-to choice for content creators. Compact, powerful, and versatile, the A6700 supports Sony E-mount lenses and offers a seamless shooting experience for both professionals and enthusiasts. Coming in at number 4, the Sony ZV E1, crowned the best vlogging camera of 2025. If you're a content creator, this one's for you. The ZV E1 features a 12-megapixel full-frame sensor, unmatched in low-light performance, and supports cinematic 4K with S-Cinetone color grading. Its advanced stabilization and AI framing make sure your videos are smooth and dynamic, whether you're vlogging on the streets or in your studio. Plus, its user-friendly interface is a game-changer for beginners. With a 12.1 MP exmor sensor, it's expertly optimized for 4K recording, offering stunning low-light performance, high sensitivity, and exceptional speed for capturing every moment with precision. Elevate your storytelling with 10-bit 4:2:2 recording and direct pixel readout, delivering rich colors and dynamic range. Choose between long GOP or all-intro formats for professional-grade video output tailored to your creative workflow. The cinematic vlog setting allows you to craft visually striking, film-like footage with ease, making your content truly stand out. The dedicated AI processor and real-time recognition ensure flawless subject tracking, keeping your focus locked on people, pets, or even moving objects, no matter the scenario. Combined with 5-axis in-body image stabilization and dynamic active mode, your footage will remain steady and smooth, even during handheld or on-the-move shooting. Compact and lightweight, the ZV E1 pairs seamlessly with Sony E-mount lenses, giving you creative flexibility to match your vision. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting out, this camera is your ticket to professional-grade content creation. Experience vlogging like never before with the Sony ZV E1, where cutting-edge technology meets ultimate creativity. At number 3, we have the Sony A93, the best premium option. This camera is a professional's dream, built for speed and precision. Boasting a 24.1 megapixel stack sensor, blackout-free shooting at 30 frames per second, and a blazing fast autofocus system, it's the go-to choice for sports and wildlife photographers. If you're chasing moments that happen in the blink of an eye, the A93 ensures you'll never miss a shot. Featuring the world's first full-frame global shutter, this revolutionary 24.6 MP XMR RS sensor ensures distortion-free images by exposing and reading all pixels simultaneously, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects with absolute clarity. The Alpha 9 III delivers blackout-free continuous shooting at an unprecedented 120 frames per second, complete with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. This means you can capture decisive moments effortlessly, with no interruptions in your viewfinder. Its AI-powered subject recognition enhances tracking accuracy, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and action photography. With a maximum shutter speed of 1/80,000 seconds, this camera is engineered for capturing split-second moments in any setting. Synchronized with compatible flashes at any speed, ensuring consistent illumination without compromise. The Bion's XR processing engine offers up to 8 times more power than its predecessors, delivering superior color gradation, reduced noise, and exceptional image quality. Combined with the stacked CMOS architecture and integral memory, you'll enjoy high-resolution, distortion-free captures, even in fast-paced scenarios. Equipped with optical image stabilization and support for Sony E-mount lenses, the Alpha 9 III is a powerhouse for professionals who demand excellence in every frame. Whether you're freezing moments in high-speed sports or capturing the wild unpredictability of nature, the Alpha 9 III is your ultimate tool. At number 2, meet the Sony A7 IV, our runner-up. Known for its versatility, this hybrid camera is perfect for both photographers and videographers. With a 33-megapixel sensor, 4K 60 frames per second video, and impressive autofocus capabilities, it delivers stunning results across a variety of shooting scenarios. Whether you're capturing portraits, landscapes, or professional videos, the A7 IV is built to perform. Equipped with a 33MP XMR, our back-illuminated CMOS sensor, it captures breathtaking detail and clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Powered by the next-generation Bion's XR processing engine, the Alpha 7 IV offers 8x more processing power, ensuring stunning image quality, improved speed, and exceptional low-light performance. Whether you're shooting stills or video, this camera delivers the precision and reliability needed for professional results. Videographers will be captivated by its ability to record 4K 60p 10-bit 4:2:2 video with full pixel readout in all formats, and 7K oversampling for 4K 30p footage ensures sharp, vibrant visuals without pixel binning. The S-Cinetone color profile provides cinematic tones straight out of the camera, simplifying your workflow while maintaining beautiful professional-grade results. The Alpha 7 IV's sensor shift image stabilization ensures blur-free images and smooth videos, even during handheld shooting. With support for Sony E-mount lenses, you have the flexibility to craft your vision with a wide range of compatible optics. Perfect for hybrid creators, the Alpha 7 IV combines advanced technology, user-friendly design, and professional-grade performance. Whether capturing stunning photos or cinematic videos, this camera delivers outstanding results every time. And finally, claiming the top spot, the Sony A7 RV, the best overall camera of 2025. This flagship model redefines high resolution with its 61-megapixel sensor and advanced AI autofocus. It's a beast for detail-rich stills and cinematic 8K video, making it the ultimate tool for professionals. Whether you're shooting in a studio or exploring the great outdoors, the A7 RV is the epitome of precision and performance. Step into the future of imaging with the Sony Alpha 7 RV, a groundbreaking full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professionals who demand unparalleled performance. At its core is an incredible 61.0MP XMR or CMOS sensor, delivering breathtaking resolution, stunning detail, and exceptional low-light capabilities for both photography and videography. The Alpha 7 RV features a revolutionary AI processing unit that introduces a new level of camera intelligence. Its real-time recognition autofocus, powered by deep learning AI, offers unmatched precision in tracking subjects, whether it's people, animals, or dynamic scenes. The advanced Bion's XR engine, with up to 8x more processing power, ensures lightning-fast performance, improved image quality, and reduced noise. Captures cinematic visuals with 8K 24p/25p or 4K 60p, 50p. Video recording, perfect for filmmakers seeking sharp, immersive footage with vibrant colors and realistic depth. For creators focused on versatility, the A7 RV combines high-resolution stills with professional-grade video capabilities. Its digital image stabilization ensures smooth, steady results, even during handheld shooting, while compatibility with Sony E-mount lenses gives you creative flexibility across a variety of styles and applications. From stunning landscapes to detailed portraits and cinematic storytelling, the Sony A7 RV is built to exceed expectations. Experience a new era of artistry with the ultimate tool for professional content creation. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best Sony cameras in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find the perfect Sony camera for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.